here are the directions for number corner December computational fluency game. Put it on the line. For you and your partner to play, you need one of the put it on the line record sheets. There's 3 of them and 2 different colored writing utensils. Since my favorite color is pink, I'm going to use a pink marker. And I am going to play against you guys today, which is going to be the green marker. Okay? Ooh, losing my iPad. Sorry, just a quick little adjustment there. All right. The first thing that you are going to do in order to play this game is you are going to label the number line, you and your partner, okay? So if this is 0 and this is 2, I need to label my number line. Where would 1 be? Sophia? This line right here? If this is 1, would 2 be all the way over here? Paige? It would be right in the middle, right? So it would be this one right here? Right? All right, and so we are going to label the number line with a decimal and a fraction, okay? Now, from 0 to 1, how many pieces is this divided into?
5.
Count 'em up. From 0 to 1, how many pieces are we divided into? Anthony? Not 4. You've got a piece here, a piece here, a piece here, a piece here, and a piece here. How many pieces? Okay?
5.
Into 5 pieces. So each piece as a fraction is worth what? Logan? 1/5. Yes. So this is 1/5. This is 2/5. This is 3/5. This is 4/5. And that would be 5/5 or 1 whole, right? Then I'm going to keep going. This is 1 and 1/5. 1 and 2/5. 1 and 3/5. 1 and 4/5. And that would be 1 and 5/5 or 2. Now I need to figure out what the decimal is that goes with fifths. Think about money to help you. A fifth of $1. A fifth of $1. Julia? A fifth of $1 would be 20 cents, right? Or we could also write it as 2, not 2/5. Think about a decimal. Yep. What is it? 2/10, right? So if this is 2/10, this would be 4. Then we have
6/10, 8/10,
and a whole. This is 1 and
1 and 2/10, 1 and 4/10, 1 and 6/10, 1 and 8/10, 2.
and 2. Okay, now we're ready to play. You're playing against me. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. What we do is we go back and forth. As we go back and forth, we take off one of these fancy, handy dandy Post-it notes. My iPad's falling again. And it's going to reveal a math problem. Okay? we're each going to, I'm just having very technical difficulties here today. I apologize. Somebody's going to go to watch this later and they're going to be like dizzy trying to watch it from all this iPad moving. Okay, that's going to have to work for now. Don't fall. I'm going to take off a sticky note when it's my turn. It's going to reveal a math problem. You're going to use your scrap piece of paper. I will use my scrap piece of paper, and we will solve our math problems. Once you solve your math problem, we're going to circle the answer on the line. Okay, that's why it's called put it on the line. Each of us in our different color. Then at the end, we are going to add up our scores, either by adding the decimals or the fractions, either one, and whoever has the highest score wins. Okay? You each take turns until you've played 5 problems. I don't know if we'll play all 5 problems right now. We might start and then just come back later. Okay? Are you ready?
Yep.
All right. I am going to go first. I am going to take, let's see, which one do I want? I'm going to take this sticky note right here. I stuck it on so good I can't even get it off. Okay. And so here's my problem. George read 1/4 of his comic book. Then he read 1/2 of it. Later he read 1/4 of the book. How much of the book did he read? Okay, so I'm going to have to do an addition problem. And it looks like I'm adding 1/4 plus 1/2 plus another 1/4. And I know since these are really, really easy problems or easy fractions, I'm going to actually change them into money. Okay? Because that's an easy one for me. I like using money to add my fractions. So 25 cents plus 50 cents plus 25 cents, that equals $1, which is 1 whole. So I am pink. I'm going to circle 1 whole for me. Okay? Now it's your turn. Giuseppe, since I just stole your pencil, which row, top or bottom, or do you want to just point without knocking the iPad over? Because it's already being very temperamental. Which one would you like to take?
This one.
This one?
Yep.
All right. This says round to the nearest 10. So use your scrap paper in your journal or on your table to see if you can solve rounding this number to the nearest 10th. I have to see your scrap paper. $1,205,000. Giuseppe, you want to come put your paper up here. All right, so this problem was Giuseppe, so I'm going to have him show his work. Do we agree?
Yes.
Yes. All right, so your answer is 1 2/10, right? So in green, you're going to circle 1 2/10 or 1 1/5. At this point, if we were to stop the game, who would be the winner? You guys, right?
Yeah.
Because you have the higher number. Let's not. Let's play one more round.
Yay.
Let me just mess with the iPad again. Okay. I'm going to choose you. Ursula ran 2 miles. Then she ran 1/5 of a mile. How far did she run? This is my problem, right? I'm going to do 2 plus 1/5. That one I think we probably can do mental math, right? 2 plus 1/5 is?
2 and 1/5.
2 and 1/5. Which would be this one. I didn't label far enough. Oops. All right. 2.2. There we go. All right. Sophia LaFata. Come pick one. Quick, quick, quick. This one? All right. Sophia's problem says, what is the value of the 2 in 56 and 273 thousandths? What's the value of the 2? How much is the 2 worth? This goes great with our math lesson that we did this morning. The 2 is worth how much? Want to phone a friend? Phone a friend. Phone a friend that has their hand up because they think they know. Not 200. 2 what? Sophia, phone another friend.
Julia?
2/10. Yes. So your answer is 2/10. Okay, so let's estimate now. If we were to estimate for highest score, who's the winner? Winner, winner, chicken dinner, right? All right. You and your partner are going to continue to go back and forth choosing squares, taking off the squares, answering the problems, and circling on the line in 2 different colors until you've answered all 5. At that time, you and your partner will add up your scores, or you could tell just by looking here. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on your final one, but you'll be able to tell if your scores are who's the winner. The higher person has the winner. Okay? And that is how you play the December computational fluency game. Put it on the line.